lift it up, go down.
Yeah,
Okay, so today we're jumping on to our day 2. In our day 1 we didn't do much plumbing, but in today's video we're gonna jump on to our brickwork. Okay, so this is the brick that I'm about to use in today's video. Probably already show you. So this is the stone we're using. It's a 3-dimension stone. Here we have a small, a big, and we have the medium one right here. I already started stonework from yesterday. So today I want to walk you through, show you what we did yesterday and what we're about. Okay guys, so as you see here, so I put a strap right in the corner here. Down there I already start my stonework. So the same measurement that I have for my stone down there, which is 4.5. I measure 4.5 from the wall to the edge of my stone. And I come down here and I take the same 4.5 from here to the edge of my strap that I have on the wall here. So I'm just gonna put a nail right to the mark that I have here. And down there we have a corner post. So we're gonna connect it on our corner post running right down. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to lay some bricks. Okay, so we finished to put up our strap. We run our string line. Now we are breadthing out our wall, because once you reach up to around 3 feet 6 to 4 feet, we're gonna come right over onto the stone with our brick. So because we have to step over to the stone onto the stone with our brick, you want to band it out so that way once you reach up there, the brick's gonna go right over and start right at the front where the corner post is there. So right here looks like we're gonna put a header. Coming up in the video later on, we have a new bricklayer here. It's gonna be his first time laying brick, but he told me that he's been laying brick for a few years. So you're gonna see where he made a few mistakes, and I'm gonna show him the right way to do it in order to get it done the right and proper way. And if you're watching this video planning to come and work with us, you know, be honest. You know, if you never lay brick before, just say, Ryan, I never lay brick before and I would like you to teach me how to lay bricks. You know, because the moment you come and started to work with us, I will know right then and there that you never lay bricks before. I've been doing this thing so many years. So the way you hold the trowel, just by the way you move alone, can tell me the amount of experience you have. So just be straight up, be honest. I'm always open to teach you guys, you know, especially the ones that are here with us from day one, supporting the channel. You know what I mean? I'm 100% willing to share my knowledge with you, teacher, but you just have to be honest so that way I know where you're at and, you know, what I can do in order to get you to where you need to be in the trade. Yeah, so that part of the video is coming up soon, so keep on watching. So okay, before we were laying bricks, coming straight and we reach right up to our window. What I'm doing now, I'm just plumb from right where the full brick started, and then we just band it right across over the window. Right where the full brick is, I plumb that down right to the window, so that way we can put a piece of cut brick right there and continue on with our band. You want to do it like that, so once you go above the window, you can continue on with all full bricks. So you always have to band it out in order to get it. The first and the second course usually is the two courses you have to band out in order to go right across. These courses that we're doing right now, we're gonna work right up to around 6 inches below where the plate is before we put our weeping plastic, and that's where we're gonna leave our weeping hole. That's just how we do it out here. This is a bird eye view of how it looks now before we go up and start our second course on top. So here I'm just plumbing up right from the edge, and I just take my measurement from, I put my bricks right where the line is, the plumb line is, and I mark it plus our joint. So where the brick is, I leave my 3/8 joint, and I just keep on mark until I go right to the edge, or the end of, I should say at the end of the window. Now it's telling me that I need to put a header, so I just put a header and I continue on with full bricks. And we're just gonna continue and do that until we reach right out to the end of the wall. And our second course, we're gonna repeat and do the same thing, so that way once we go above the window, we can go right across with all full bricks. Guys, usually this is the hardest. The first course is the hardest one of the fall. Just have to just slowly try to work your way. I'm just putting a wedge underneath right now, because the foundation ledge down here is not level. So I'm just trying to jack it up. The two first course usually is the two hardest course of it all. So you just have to take your time and try to get it and get it right. Because if you messed up here at your first courses at the foundation ledge here, you're gonna mess up the entire band. So no rush, take your time, get it right. As you see, I'm just trying to put my brick away from the line, just a fraction away from the line, rather than have it sitting right onto the line. Later on, we're going to remove these wedges. Yeah, you don't have to clean it up. So if you notice, on our first course down on the foundation ledge, we start with a full brick. Your second course, you want to start with a header, because once we go above, you're going to have a header returning the other direction where the corner post is. And you want to bring that right over, so that way once you go on top of the stone, we're going to continue on with the bricks. So right there, I'm just trying to band it out right now, so that way once we go above, we can continue with the bricks, go right out to the edge, to the end of where the corner post is. So it's very important for you to band it out before you go ahead and lay your bricks. Right now I'm just trying to build a small lead here, so that way we can continue on, because the stone is kind of pushing off some of the line from off the brick. So just building a small lead, and then afterwards we're gonna run it straight through. So we reach over this side of the window. You want to repeat the same thing that we did earlier. You want to band it out from over the other side, so that way once you reach above the window, you're gonna have all full brick run right across. I did that earlier, so you want to make sure you band it out. That way we can continue on, just like you see I'm doing here. After you band it, come across your window. So this is the new bricklayer that we have now. As you see, it way over and the band. So coming up, I'm going to show him how to fix that what he need to do in order to prevent that as well. He's an awesome guy. He's a fun, but you know, he just need a little bit of practice, and he will get there.
Yeah, way, this needs to be in here, way over. No, you can't do that. Use this, because you're gonna mess up the brick.
So right here he's trying to cut this brick. He probably broke like maybe 10 brick by trying to cut this one brick here. And one of the reasons why the brick is breaking is because of how you hold the hammer. You notice you hold the hammer right in the throat of the hammer. You have to hold the hammer at the end. You don't want to be in the camera. You see, that's why the brick is shorter. You have to hold the hammer at the end and swing it. I have a few videos where I show you guys how to cut a brick with a hammer.
I cannot. Video for you.
Video for you. Try it, go try it.
No video, no video.
No video? Yeah, well, you video everything, man. Yeah, fix the brick. You need to lay the bricks properly. Those bricks don't go garbage. Look, I show you something. Go back. You see you have this brick. This brick need to be here. So you see, you hover almost an inch. All your brick is over an inch. You have to follow the band.
Yeah,
Start from down there.
Yeah.
No, you do like this. So start, go over.
Yeah.
So this one, you need to go, heist it up, cut it down like that.
Yeah.
Yeah? You know how to do it now?
Yeah.
Okay, do. Go from front. No, you see, that's different from how I show you. Sorry, go this way. Go for it. Now you lift it up, go down.
Yeah.
Lift it up, because if you push, you're going to sink the brick. Yeah.
I understand.
You didn't say yeah, but you don't get it.
Sorry. You have the video.
You don't like the video?
I cannot become.
Yeah, well you win.
I have stress.
You have stress. Yeah, but you're with a YouTuber.
I'm not YouTuber. No.
Face not showing, the face not showing.
The face, no show.
Face no show.
Only the brick.
I cannot. I have stress.
Okay, I'm gonna take it now.
From video, I have stress.
Yeah, no problem.
So right there, the bricklayer decided he can't manage because he don't want the camera to be showing while he's working. You know, we're a YouTuber, you know, you watch us, you come out, you see that this is what we do for a living, you know. This is what we do. We video, we record, and we show people what we're doing so that they can learn from it. So guys, if you don't want to be on the camera, don't even bother apply to work with us here at 1KB Construction, because we will be recording. You know, so he decided that he want to go. There's not much I can do. He decided he don't want to be on the camera, so that's where it is. Okay, so let's jump back in the video. So right here, as you see, I put my weep in plastic. We're gonna do 1 or 2 courses, and then afterwards we're gonna put our Tyvek, and we're gonna tape off our seam, tape off our joint, and all that. So right here onto our weeping plastic now, every 3 bricks onto the weeping plastic, you want to leave a hole. So you want to leave a space between 3 bricks, so that way if there's any water were to go into the brick, any water were to go behind the wall, it will escape and come through those holes. As you see we go in the video, you will see me leaving the holes there every 3 bricks.
You see thickness of the mortar, alright consistency this Christopher. Wait there.
So here I'm 3 bricks right now. As you see, I'm leaving a space there. If you see I go through by going more than 3 bricks without leave a space, I did it for a reason. Afterwards we're gonna go back and cut it out, because sometimes the joint might be a little bit big, so that way we have to go straight to, and afterwards we use our slicker and just remove the mortar afterwards. So this is a bird's eye view of what it looks like. Now we're just putting some brick ties and we're gonna continue on with our wall.
So I have some brick ties right now.